In the face of conflict and turmoil in Syria, Rama Saman, a talented ceramicist with a background in fine arts and media design, is molding hope in clay. Despite the challenges she faces, such as electricity shortages and the uncertainty of the future, Saman remains optimistic and passionate about her craft. For Saman, working with clay is not just a creative outlet, but a form of meditation and escape from the stresses of everyday life.
Working with your hands actually takes out every stress you have, and especially in pottery. For me, it's a way to escape as well as a way to understand the world.
Saman sees pottery as a way to connect with the world and to understand the elements that make up life itself. Through her art, she hopes to create a sense of grounding and connection to the whole world.
Clay that comes from dirt, and also the air that we breathe. So it combines everything in a way that also I think that's why it's a meditation for me. Somehow this combination makes you more connected to Earth.
Looking towards the future, Saman is interested in using pottery as a form of art therapy. She believes that she can help others find healing and peace in their own lives.
I'm very interested in doing this as an art therapy. So that's what I'm hoping for the future. That's what I'm studying at the moment. I would like to see how we can create a program that is like art therapy through the work in pottery and ceramics.